Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, you need to fold your device. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In Settings, scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to click on Device Lock section and select Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Now enter your current login method and click on Face Unlock section right away. Finally, hit More at the bottom right corner. And then I agree also at the bottom right corner. Now select Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select Done. Manage those two options however you wish to, or even click on Delete Face Model right away. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. I will go with Cancel though, so when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!